get my husband packed to go to Turkey. He leaves in the morning to fly out to Istanbul to go to the Smile Clinic to get a full hair transplant surgery, something that he's been wanting forever. It was supposed to be his gift when he left the military, but life happened, so it's been pushed off just a little bit. Kept adding jobs, kept adding kids. We finally pulled the trigger and got him booked, and the communication process has been so smooth. After a ton of research, we went with the Smile Clinic because they had great reviews. Their communication has been phenomenal. And who doesn't want to go to Turkey? The cost of doing the procedure in Turkey is about a third of doing it here in the US, including flights and everything. And the results are so much better. Everyone raves that Istanbul is the hair capital of the world. Plus, who doesn't want to go see the beautiful city, eat all the yummy food? I'm incredibly jealous. I'll be home with all of our kids, but in total, he's only gonna be gone 4 days, and I think it's such a great investment in himself. Hopefully, when he comes back, I'll have a full head of hair. Just kidding, it takes about a year for the whole thing to go in, but we will be in communication. We'll be FaceTiming a ton, and we're gonna miss him, but we are so proud of him for taking the risk and investing in himself and his happiness.
I'm Andrew Beggs. I flew in from Washington, D.C. all the way here to Turkey. I'm really excited to work with the Smile Clinic and getting a full-fledged head of hair. I'm really lucky to have my wife supporting me. We have 4 children at home, and she's watching all 4 of them. Alone and unafraid. It's pretty critical, especially being both bio parents and foster parents, to have the ability for a partner to let me take care of this opportunity. I've wanted to do this surgery for 10 years, and the fact that I can do it now is immensely amazing, and I really appreciate the support of my family to allow me to come all the way across the world to go to the best place to get a hair transplant. I watched all the videos because I watched just in prep for everything, and I'm really excited to meet my doctor. They're really clear and concise, and I'm really excited to get this process started.
But I will reinforce it, if you don't mind. Okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
That will be a better idea. Because extract from here, because you are already thin there. If I extract anything from there, you will look bald at the back of the ears. So I will skip that part, okay? This is your natural hairline. I did not change it. I just draw a line for guidance to myself. Okay. So do you agree with the plan?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay.
Hi, nice to meet you.
How are you?
Good.
Excited maybe, huh? A little bit excited?
Yes, very excited.
Okay, no worries. I will take good care of him, okay?
Thank you.
And we'll send you back full head of hair.
I can't wait to see. Thank you.
Okay. So have a nice one. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't worry about him.
Yeah, signed, still delivered. I'm excited. They got me all marked up. Hopefully, yeah, and I got a nice little robe. We're excited to do it. Hope to come back with a full head of hair. Love you, all right?
Love you.
Get some sleep. Cheers.
Bye.
Dr. Bilgin was fantastic. We were very clear. He gave me extra time to ask questions. He looked for expectations. We did a nice consult. And honestly, he put me at ease, and I've had a full faith and confidence in his abilities to kind of get the result that we wanted. It was good to see my wife to meet the doctor. I think that was great for her. Talking to her, she's like, I felt so much better knowing that she got to meet the people that, my care was in their hands, and most importantly, my hair, because she cares about that. New hair, new me, right? Yeah, new hair, new me. My wife says it's time for, my glow up is what she jokes about. We say, hey, it's your glow up time. So I'm really excited. And to do it in a different country and a beautiful place to travel, it definitely made me feel like it was definitely my experience. Yeah, it wasn't painful at all, anything but the anesthesia. The anesthesia felt like a couple bee stings, but honestly it was not super painful. It just felt like 6 bee stings, and then after that was done, didn't feel a thing. After, I didn't feel a lot of pain. It felt like the only thing that when they were washing my head, it felt like icy hot for anyone who's back in the States. It was a little warm, but after that it was done. It's just like washing anything like a sunburn, right? It's a little sensitive, but it was pretty good. But yeah, there's no pain following the operation. I think that was one of my biggest nerve-wracking things, was like, oh, am I gonna be in pain the rest of the time? Honestly not. If it's just a little sensitive, maybe less than a sunburn. Yeah, the process has been clear, pain-free, and honestly at ease. I think those are the big 3 things for me, is I was put at ease, it was very clear on what was gonna be done, and it wasn't painful at all, and I'm really happy with my results. I tried other places, and they reached out to them. The communication was rough. Smile Clinic was the only one that I knew that I was very clear on exactly what it was needed, and the communication, even across countries and time zones, was fantastic. Follow the true transformation.